Hello students, in this video lecture we will start genetics. George Mendel postulates he is an Australian scientist and experimented with the pea plants. He thought that inheritable factors, genes, retain their individuality generation after generation. Actually, before Mendel, इनको Mendel knew that there is something that passes from parents to the offspring, but वो DNA और जीन्स और क्रोमोसोम्स के बारे में उनको नहीं पता था. एंड at that time Mendel called that as factors or particles, that something is transferred from parents to the offsprings. इसीलिए जो है पेरेंट्स और ऑफस्प्रिंग्स जो है उनमें जो है सिमिलैरिटी होती है. सो Mendel is also called as the father of genetics. Now he studied with the 7 traits in the pea plants. Proposed similar but separate inheritable characters, one from each parent, later to be called as genes. जो फैक्टर्स या ट्रेट्स जिनको पहले मेंडल ने फैक्टर्स कहा था उनको बाद में जीन्स कहा गया. नाउ बिफोर गोइंग टू द लॉज हमें कुछ टर्म्स जो है पता होनी चाहिए मेंडल्स की. ठीक है, ट्रेट्स आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय द एलेलीज अल्टरनेट फॉर्म ऑफ ए जीन्स. जो एलेलीज हैं वो एक ही जीन के अल्टरनेट फॉर्म्स है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी टेक टी एंड टी. These are the two different alleles and these are the forms of a gene found on homologous chromosome at a particular gene locus. The dominant allele marks the expression of the other allele, the recessive allele. Dominant allele क्या करेगी, अपना expression देगी over the recessive allele. ठीक है, recessive allele अपने आप को express नहीं कर पाएगी. Genotype refers to the alleles in an individual receives at fertilization. ये homozygous भी हो सकता है. Homozygous, an organism has 2 identical alleles at a gene locus. Homozygous में क्या होगा, जो alleles होंगे वो identical होंगे. For example say this T and T. Heterozygous means 2 alleles will be different. Phenotype is the physical appearance of the individual. Now dominant and recessive. Dominant I have already told you कि जो अपने आप को express करेगा that will be dominant, और जो नहीं कर पाएगा this will be recessive. Now what are genotype and phenotype? Genotype is the genetic makeup of an individual expressed in the letters. For example, BB, small b, capital B, and small b. And a phenotype is the physical appearance of an individual determined by his or her genotype. For example, किसी का कलर अगर ब्लैक है, ब्राउन है, किसी की हाइट शॉर्ट है, टॉल है, these are the all phenotypic characters. Homozygous or heterozygous, these are the terms. Homozygous में क्या होगा, दोनों alleles क्या होंगी, सेम होंगी. And in case of heterozygous both the alleles will be different. Now what is Punnett square? This is the square used to show the mating of 2 parents and the possible offsprings they can produce. These are the 7 traits which are used by the Mendel. क्या क्या था, फ्लावर कलर, इसमें पर्पल, 2 ट्रेड्स यूज़ करें फ्लावर कलर में, पर्पल एंड वाइट. फ्लावर पोजीशन में एक्सियल एंड टर्मिनल, स्टेम लेंथ में टॉल एंड ड्वार्फ, सीड शेप में राउंड एंड रिंकल, seed color yellow and green, pod shape inflated and constricted, pod color green और yellow. इसमें क्या है, ये जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं these are all dominant and these are all recessive characters he used. Now from this Mendel developed three laws: law of dominance, segregation and independent assortment. Now we will discuss these laws one by one. Now what? First of all, law of dominance. If two alleles are different, say capital B and small b, the trait associated with only one of these will be visible while the other will be hidden and the hidden will be recessive. मैंने पहले आपको भी बताया था कि डोमिनेंट और रिसेसिव दो तरह की एलिलीज होंगी, ठीक है. जो अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर पाएगी वो क्या होगी, डोमिनेंट होगी, और जो अपना एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाएगी दिस विल बी रिसेसिव. तो लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस क्या है कि जो अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर पाएगी दैट विल बी डोमिनेंट, और उस ट्रेड को हम कहेंगे डोमिनेंट, और जो नहीं एक्सप्रेस होगा उसे हम कहेंगे रिसेसिव. बट दिस लॉ इज़ नॉट यूनिवर्सली एक्सेप्टेड, बिकॉज अगर ये लॉ सही होता तो सपोज टी टी एंड टी टी, इससे अगर हम क्रॉस कराते तो टी एंड टी, दिस इज़ एन इंटरमीडिएट कैरेक्टर. तो इस तरह का कोई कैरेक्टर होना ही नहीं था, या तो सभी क्या होने थे, टॉल होने थे, या सभी ड्वार्फ होने थे. सो दिस लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस इज़ नॉट यूनिवर्सली accepted. In a hybrid union, the allele which express itself phenotypically is the dominant, while the other allele which fails to express itself phenotypically is the recessive allele. The hybrid individual shows phenotypically only the dominant character. The law of dominance is often described as the Mendel's first law of inheritance. इसमें हम देखें ये टॉल होमोजाइगस टॉल टी एंड टी जो कैरेक्टर आपको इधर दिख रहा है, एंड होमोजाइगस डॉर्फ स्मॉल टी एंड स्मॉल टी. इफ वी क्रॉस दिस in the F1 generation we will get a hybrid. This is a hybrid of capital T and small t. Now in case of F2 generation, here we will get homozygous 3 talls and homozygous 1 dwarf. Sorry, homozygous and heterozygous total 3 tall and 1 homozygous dwarf. Now second is the Mendel's law of segregation. A normal cell has 2 variants for a Mendelian trait: a gamete, sperm, egg, pollen or ovule contains one allele randomly chosen from the 2 somatic alleles. Example, if you have one allele for brown eyes and one for blue eyes, somatic cells have BB and each gamete will carry one of B or B chosen randomly. So law of segregation क्या कहता है? According to law of segregation, the separation of alleles into separate gametes. Suppose हमारे पास 2 alleles हैं here B and B. This will segregate into the 2 and combine with the other. The law of segregation states that each individual has 2 factors for each trait. The factors segregate or separate during the formation of gametes. Each gamete contains only one factor from each pair of factors. Fertilization gives each new individual 2 factors for each trait. Suppose we have B and B, these 2 alleles for a trait. Now this separate during the formation of gametes into B and B. and each gamete will contain only one factor from each pair of gametes. Now each gamete will contain only either this or this, only one of the factors from a pair. So fertilization gives each new individual two factors for each trait. You can see this in here. These are the two alleles for tall, these are for dwarf. Now this separate during gamete formation into a capital T and small t. Now this gamete will get one factor from here and one from this. This is the law of segregation.